Amidst the coffee shop bustle, a young professional becomes absorbed in a budgeting app, oblivious to the world. The app displays a stark financial truth. Track your spending. Know where your money goes. A stark contrast emerges. Impulse buys versus strategic investments. A visual representation of immediate versus delayed gratification. The screen declares, shift from spending to investing. The narrator warns, it's easy to fall into the trap of instant gratification, but true financial freedom lies in delayed satisfaction and focusing on long-term goals. An elderly couple sits together, enjoying a peaceful afternoon as the screen displays. Start retirement planning early. Compound interest is your friend. The screen shows an animated chart demonstrating the remarkable impact of compound interest over time. The screen highlights the significant advantages of starting to invest early. In the classroom, students concentrate intently, absorbing vital financial lessons, eyes fixed on the screen. Teaching financial literacy, empowering future generations, glows, underscoring its importance.